Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay Originals. This is our program Paheli, a series of logical reasoning and puzzles. So today we will be solving handshake problem. So let's take a look at the problem statement. A married couple, Florian and Julia, head over to a bar to celebrate their anniversary. They find four other couples in the bar. So as we can see, they met four couples. Every person handshakes with each person they haven't met. So for example, if a person A knows person B, then they will not handshake. But if a person A does not know C, then they will handshake with each other. It actually turns out that many of the people had known each other prior. So when Julia asks everyone how many hands they each shaked, she remarkably gets 9 different answers. So the question is how many handshakes Florian did. If you understood the problem statement, you can pause the video and try to solve this problem. Are you looking for a hint? Sure. Julia here 9 different answers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you gave another shot at this problem. So finally, let's take a look at the solution for this problem. As the meetup has 10 people and Julia asked everyone else, so that means she asked 9 people. And as it is given in the problem statement that everyone's answer was different, so she got 9 different answers. So if we have 10 people, one person can shake hand individually with 8 people. How that is possible? As in the problem statement, we are given that they handshake with each person they haven't met. So if we take an example of a person A, he cannot shake hand with his wife. So there are only 8 persons left. So even if we assume that he doesn't know anyone else, so the maximum number of handshakes he can do is 8. Julia got 9 different answers, and now we know that maximum possible handshakes is 8. So the 9 possible different answers would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will assign these numbers to the individuals. So now we will try to understand the handshake scenario in graphical representation. So we have A and his wife, B and his wife, C and his wife, D and his wife, and of course we have Julia and Florian. Now we will start with person A. So if person A handshakes with B and his wife, C and his wife, D's wife and D, and with Florian and Julia. So as we can count, he did 8 handshakes, and also we can say that Julia, Florian, D and D's wife, C and C's wife, B and B's wife have 1 handshake already. So now we have to assign 0 also from these numbers. So as A cannot shake hand with his wife, and also everyone else has already 1 handshake, so the only possible candidate for 0 handshakes is A's wife. So we will assign 0 to A's wife. So now we are left with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now we will consider B scenario. So if B handshakes with C, C's wife, D's wife and D, and with Florian and Julia, so in this case he did 6 handshakes plus 1, which he did with A. So in total B has 7 handshakes. So now let's take a look at B's wife. So B's wife already has 1 handshake with A, and B won't handshake with his wife because they already know each other. So now we can assign 1 to B's wife. So now we are left with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's try to assign a number to C. So C handshake with D's wife, D, Florian and Julia. So he did 4 handshakes and already A and B handshake with him. So in total he had 6 handshakes. So now let's take a look at C's wife. She already did handshake with A and B. So we can assign number 2 to her. Moving on to D couple. So if D handshakes with Florian and Julia, and he already had 3 handshakes, one with A, one with B and one with C. So in total, he did 5 handshakes. Now let's take a look at D's wife. So D's wife already had handshakes with A, B, and C. So in total, she had 3 handshakes. So now we are just left with number 4. If in the graphical representation we see Florian has 4 handshakes, one is with A, one is with B, and one is with C, and another with D. So in total, Florian had 4 handshakes. So the question was how many handshakes Florian did. So now we know that he did 4 handshakes. Thank you for watching. You can like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram.